Hello everybody, welcome back to Return to Freddy. Alright, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna be like, where's Piggy Book 2 Chapter 11? Well, that got delayed till, we're gonna have to play more Return to Freddy's instead. So, let's continue with Night 3. That is Foxy. So apparently, when it's showing the tips, you can double close these things. Oh, like this. Ah, okay. Oh, they also waste power. I better be warned. Yeah.
Look, some news. Finally. It looks like the sugar animatronic works.
Really?
But, surprise, she also behaves strangely. And she has a habit of getting into the ventilation, which isn't good at all. Fortunately, we have trapdoors in the ventilations which you can close by pressing the camera's button twice. We originally had them in case the rats got to the vents, but whatever. Oh, and some last, not so good news. Freddy starts to move too.
Oh.
Even at day and without being programmed to do so, and after studying a bit, he seems to stay away from the lights, always hiding in dark corners. So try flashing the camera flashlight at him. It might work. But anyway, that was all for now. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
I'm just gonna do this on Freddy, just a little bit. Right, the night is starting, so let's keep an eye on Foxy. Oh my god, you're already active. Now I'm worried because there's Sugar the cat who's gonna be appearing in these vents. Crap. Oh, you're going to the right. Hold on, I can wait. Come on. Where are you, puppet? Oh my god. What the heck? You only moved. Foxy. No, I don't understand. How does Freddy work? I thought he would be the same. Do I have to flash him away? Oh crap. How I know if Sugar's in the vent? Oh, you're going to the left. I'm ready. Run. Oh crap. Oh, hey, Sugar. I didn't know you were coming. What the? Is Sugar in any of these vents? I think I should know if Sugar's in the vents, if I hear vent sounds. Oh, you're going to the left. I'm ready. Just in case. I don't think I have to worry about Freddy. I think Freddy's pretty simple to deal with. If Freddy's not simple to deal with, then there's no way I'm gonna be able to beat this. Oh, hi. Oh! Crap! I'm really gonna... Where you going? Left. I'm ready. Sugar's in the vent, so I can do this. Oh! You attacked at the same time! I almost died. Okay. You still there? Oh my god! Dude, get out of here! Where you going? Oh. I really got... Okay. Where you going? Right, I'm ready. Hurry up! Come on! Right. What's that, Sugar? I keep forgetting where the thing is. I better be right, and Freddy's easy to deal with, because I do not want to deal with him just searching him around. I did it! Wow! Man! Okay then. Oh, there's Freddy. Let's try night 4. See how this will go. It's the same thing but harder. It's already 1 AM, which is good. Sugar. Foxy. Oh, you're coming active. I have to be... Okay, right, I'm ready, already. Come on. Come on! Oh, God. Oh my God, I was so slow! Don't kill me because I was so slow! Okay. No! My God. Where are you? What the? You go right. I'm ready. What the? Oh, I didn't pay attention to sugar. All right, let's go in here. This is a mini game. What the? Go in here. What the? Go. Willie? Come on, there's somewhere else that I have to go. Are you? Go here then. Come on. Oh, purple dude, get. Let's try that again. Oh my God. I wish the music box didn't exist, but it had to exist, and I have to keep it on the vents now. I really gotta keep it on. Go. Go! Vents. Is Sugar gone? Yeah, he's gone. Maybe I can't beat this. What if I can't beat this? Where are you going? Come on. I need to keep an eye on Sugar. Go! Sugar first. I died because I didn't find Sugar. Come anytime. Dude, I gotta find Sugar the cat! It's not appearing this time. Okay. Right. Come on. Oh my God! It's a lot stressful. And it's 3 AM. We're doing good. You really gotta keep an eye on the vents for Sugar the cat. You really gotta do. Come on. You're not there yet. You're there now? I am. I don't see Sugar. What the? You just moved. Sugar! Oh my God. Move, God darn it! Move! Sugar! Puppet. No! No, 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 no! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! I died because of Sugar. No, no, no. No! Darn it! I need to see Sugar! Just got you just in time. Foxy. Here we go. No! No! Son of a freaking... Oh my god. Just got just in time. I hate you. I hate you guys. You're the most annoying thing ever. Really? Already? Come on. I honestly don't care if Voxy coming in wastes his power. But I feel like it does. At least the nights go quick to make everything a lot better. If they go so slow, then I would have been dead. Like, I would have seriously been dead. Oh, he's coming back. Oh! I'm ready. Just got just in time. Uh-oh. Oh my god. My heart's beating, man. Well, technically it's not, but I really want to beat this night. Okay. What happened to... Wrong time. I should have known. When was the part where I died because I wasn't keeping an eye on Foxy that much? Where you going? Not now, I'm recording a video. Oh god. Box. No! This is when I died! This is when I died! This is when I die because I... Come on. Come on, I'm dealing with you first. Now find Sugar. He didn't appear. Where's the puppet? I really want to keep an eye on the vents. Oh, if he can move. What? What? How the frick does Freddy work? I can't. That'll be the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.